30 years ago, a game called Pong that consisted of a simple ball bouncing around a video monitor was considered the height of computer-generated entertainment. But thankfully, things change. Today, the gulf between cutting-edge military technology and the consumer market is getting smaller, and for many people, that fact equals big fun.
The history of computer-generated entertainment is relatively short. In contrast, people have been going to the movies for over 60 years and watching TV for more than 40. The very first computer-generated entertainment environments didn't start until the early video games of the 1970s. But now, with each passing day, new milestones are being achieved in this fantastic digital arena. Multiple technologies are converging to create sensory information so rich that reality and the digitally created fantasy are seamlessly blending together. GreyStone Digital Technology is a California-based supplier of just that kind of entertainment. The company provides powerful real-time, interactive, and networked 3D immersion software for their clients. Clients that until recently had been exclusive to the U.S. military.
The very first technologies that crossed over into the consumer market were real-time technologies, all of them being artificial intelligence, man-in-the-loop simulation, digital signal processing, and the ability to manipulate digital environments or immersive worlds with humans centered in that experience.
Specially trained technicians and designers at GreyStone are called Immersioneers, and the art of putting a real person into the digital entertainment environment is called Immersioneering, and for good reason. By combining graphics, motion, sound, and more than a little artificial intelligence, designers have come up with a more exciting and fun version of reality. The process is called GreySim, and the product here is the MercRacer 3000.
The experience I had on the MercRacer 3000 is a lot like the games that we try to bring into here at GameWorks. They are definitely, the MercRacer 3000 is definitely full motion simulation, a lot of sound coming at you in the chest, a lot of visual coming at you, things popping out of the walls. It's a great interactive game and the type of things we like to have here at GameWorks.
Today, products like these simulators are providing a reliable, compelling, and economically competitive suspension of disbelief for customers across the country.
GreySim is GreyStone's proprietary technology. It's a unique approach, one that we do not see other companies in this country or even around the world taking. It's core technology that is really an ever-evolving collection of tools, processes, copyrighted technology, the experience and resident capability in applying them so that we get the maximum utility for each customer.
As a result of spending 7 years and literally millions of dollars, the company has created and refined their development process, and along the way, captured a unique position within the entertainment industry. In the past, cutting-edge technology like this simply wasn't affordable outside the halls of government. But like so much else here in the 21st century, that too has changed to the advantage of the consumer. Reporting for .com, I'm Corey James.